And now I'm going to show you how to make the 5-petaled flower using circles. First of all, get your fabric ready. Draw your circles on it. And to draw your circles, you can use a mug, what you find easily at home. Draw them on your fabric, and it would be best to use a crayon or a colored pencil that's the same color as the color of your fabric. As you can see, I've already drawn my circles and now I've cut them out. So there we are. I'm going to fold the first one into half and then fold it again in the middle into a quarter, and on the open end I'm going to make some running stitches using the curved side of the flower. So that's my first petal, and I'll pull the thread slightly and join the next petal to it. Fold it again into half and then into quarters, and then take the open side and join it to the same needle and thread. And then pull them up together. So I've done the 2 petals, and I'm now going to show you how to do the same. You repeat the same process for the next 3 petals. And here are the 5 petals sewn together. And now I'm going to show you how to close this gap and complete the flower. Make sure you've pulled them together and stitch it firmly. And using the same thread, we want to fill in the gap at the center. And we'll either use a bead, a button, or an old brooch. And it might end up looking like that. Or like this. Or you can try out when it's still empty like that. You can try and see what suits in the best. That one or the button. The button looks quite good with it. Suits well on a small circle like that. Or a brooch. And this is how we made this fascinator with a veil, using the same technique.